Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to power on or off your JBL Authentics 300 speaker. To power it on, you can run it off battery or off power cord. You can plug a power cord in the back here, but you can also run it off battery. And to power it on, click on the power button. After a while, you'll hear a sound. And that means that your speaker is powered on. And to power it off, click on the power button again. After the sound, the lights will go dark, and that means it's powered off. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.